More on news from Pakistan. Politicians, activists and netizens across Pakistan have hailed Thursday's court verdict that sentenced Zahir Jaffer, a US national of Pakistani origin, to death for rape and murder of Noor Mukadam, daughter of a former diplomat. The incident in July 2021 had sparked widespread outrage across the South Asian nation.
Politicians, activists and netizens across Pakistan have hailed a court verdict on Thursday that sentenced prime suspect Zahir Jaffer, a US national of Pakistani origin, to death for raping and beheading Noor Mukadam, the daughter of a former Pakistani diplomat, crimes that sparked outrage across the South Asian nation. Investigators say Jaffer, member of one of Pakistan's wealthiest families, lured 27-year-old Mukadam to his home in Islamabad in July 2021 and held her there for 2 days and murdered her. Two of Jaffer's employees were jailed for 10 years each on charges of abetting the crime. Opposition PMLN party leader Maryam Nawaz said it is reassuring that beasts in human disguise will realize that consequences can be grave. While PPP leader Naz Baloch hailed the courage of Noor's family, netizens on Twitter said justice has prevailed.
बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट पेनफुल फेज़ था, लेकिन ये था कि मेरी फैमिली, मेरे भाई बहन, सब मेरे दोस्त सब मेरे साथ खड़े रहे। पाकिस्तान में नहीं, पूरे पाकिस्तान की माएँ बेटियाँ मेरे साथ खड़ी रहीं और बाहर मुल्कों से भी सारे दुआएं करते, सारे मेरे साथ खड़े रहे, क्योंकि ये मुझे किसी को बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। लोग इतने उनको ट्रॉमा से गुजर रहे थे सारे लोग, ताकि वो चाहते थे कि इसमें जल्द अज जल्द ये सज़ा हो और इसमें जजमेंट जल्द अज जल्द हो।
Hundreds of women are killed in Pakistan annually and thousands more are victims of brutal violence, but few cases get sustained media attention and only a small fraction of perpetrators are ever punished.